This video helps you to understand change the uppercase to lowercase in Excel. Mind you, changing text from uppercase to lowercase in Excel is very easy. You can do it using Excel formula or using Power BI query editor if you are working with big data set. Excel provides a built-in function called lower. So suppose your text is in column C. So how you can do that? Put the equal sign and type LOER lower, open the bracket, give the cell reference which is the C4 and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that which is the Nadeem Ahmed converted into the lowercase. Use the fill handle to drag the to convert other names into the lowercase. So this is very simple and easy. So if you use the BI query, if you are using big data sets, so how you can do that? So for this you need to select the data range and then go to the data on the above top menu bar. Here is the data. Click on that and on the left side you will see that from table range. Click on that. And here you need to simply click OK. A new window will be opened in Power Query Editor. So now head to the transform and go to the format and here is the lowercase. Click on that and you can see that the dataset has been converted into the lowercase. So simply go to the home and here you need to close and load. Simply close and load and this dataset will be open in a new tab. So simply Control C to copy it and go to the lowercase and right click and click on this paste special options and here is you can see that. This way you can easily convert a big data set into lowercase. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.